Hello friends, in this video we discuss about how to fix the web camera problem. If your web camera is not opening, what to do? So first of all, go to start button. After that you can go to settings. Then here you can search your camera. So click on camera privacy settings. Then after that check out allow app to access your camera. If it is off, then on it so that all the app can access your camera. Second thing is check out the Microsoft Store app which access your camera, like 3D view, field food, Microsoft Photos, stores. Okay. The very important thing is, friends, the very important thing is that you should allow all the applications to access your camera in order to in order to take all the services. Like I allow the app Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge and OBS Studio, so that these app can easily use the game. If the problem is still not resolved, then go to type Control R, Window plus R. Here you can type DAV mgmt.msc. I again repeat, you can type DAV mgmt.msc. Then go to OK button. Then after that, here we can get this type of interface. Then go to camera, right click on these settings and right click on this setting and uninstall the device. Here. Then it will ask to remove the device. You must restart your computer. Do you want to restart now? So you can say yes. Okay, here I can say no, but the thing is that you must say yes, so that then again go to action button and scan for the hardware chip. So finally your camera webcam problem is resolved. So that's all for today. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks.